Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Technosavvys. So here I am with you all with another topic, and it's on MIT App Inventor. And our topic is age calculator. Before starting the making of this app, let's have a quick recap on MIT App Inventor. So as you can see that this is the working page of MIT App Inventor. Next, these are some user interface. We drag components in the middle of the screen. And this is the property section that can change the property of the component in the function. So let's see how we can use these components and user interface for our app. First we're going to take a layout, then we will adjust its properties as per its need. Now I'm taking two text box from user interface and rename it from the current year and born year, and some changes in properties as well. Just like that, I have renamed them here in component section and also mentioned the details in the hint column for both born year and current year. Then I have taken a button from user interface and renamed it in the component section, also done some changes in the property section. After all, I have taken a label component and done the changes in the properties. And lastly, a notifier. Notifier is a non-visible component. It won't show on screen, but it will work. Next we can see these are some designing for our app called Age Calculator. And now let's see the code for the working of our game. So as you can see, these are the panels from which we will take codes to build. And you can see here all the panels in every color. We will also use this used component to code our program. By simply selecting these components, we can see the codes in it. So finally, these are the codes for our app. So finally, this is our program, and we have done both designing and coding for it. Now do not forget to check your program by connecting your program from AI Companion to your MIT AI to Companion app. By connecting it, you can see the result of your program. Hope this helps you all. Thank you for watching. Happy coding!